bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Craft Corner. Today we're doing something I've done before for Halloween and a Christmas headband, but not. Today we're going to do a spring headband. But before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. Do you know I just bought a hot plate, and I don't mind cold coffee. I'll take cold coffee anytime. But tea, that's another story. I like a hot cup of tea. And when the tea, sometimes the tea goes down halfway. By the time you drink it, it's cold. So I got a hot plate. It really works well. It keeps my tea warm. You know, sometimes when I'm sick or when sometimes in the evening I'll want a cup of tea. And it really is nice. But I do drink something other than coffee, tea. So what we're going to do today, now I've made the Halloween headband and the Christmas headband, and I'll keep doing different venues with that because people really, I mean, when I wore my Christmas or Halloween headband, people would go from across the store. This woman goes, "Excuse me, I love your headband." And I was like, "Thank you, I made it." And they're like, "Whoa." And then, you know, because people liked it so much, I'm like, "Whoa, maybe I'll give it as gifts." You know, to people, a couple of my friends, I gave it to them because they're like, "Whoa, I really like your headband." And I was like, "Oh, you know what, I'm going to make it for you." So I did, and I just presented it to them, and they loved it. And people really like that, you know, because it gives it a touch of what you are, you know, when you make them something. But today we're going to do this headband, and I chose a pink headband. I got these headbands on Amazon. And I think I'm going to pick, I like these little flowers. I don't like anything big. I got these in the dollar store. They don't smell, but who cares? But they're really, really cute. You know, I think that'll be, and to make it pop, I also bought blue ones. So, and then I got a Gorilla Glue gun. I got that in Amazon, and Gorilla Glue sticks. Now, you know, I really like crafts, and I made, this is one of my creations, my wreath. That was my spring wreath. I had that in another video. So I have different videos that I have a Halloween video for the headband and a Christmas video. And I'll be doing more with, you know, different kinds of things on my headband. But I think the flower one, do you think that's going to be cute? I think that's really going to be cute. You know, I like to wear headbands. They just, you know, they kind of like, some women like doing the headbands and some women like, you know, I saw a woman have a braid. She had a braid in the back of her head, and it was like two braids, but they were together, and it really looked really nice. You know, like I can't do that kind of thing. It doesn't look good on me. Or I can't wear my hair off my face because that doesn't look good on me either. So, you know, there's certain looks that people have, and I discovered the headbands really look nice on me. So, you know, I wear them sometimes, you know, because it's a different look, you know. I like different looks. I like to, sometimes I wear pigtails. That's not too bad. But headbands really are my thing. And a lot of people like headbands. So, you know, when you give it as a gift or something, or you create them, they really like it. I found people really, you know, like I've given, like I bought somebody a bottle of wine, and I'm like, "Hey, I'm going to make some wine glasses." And I painted wine glasses, and they turned out so nice. People really like that. You put it as a gift, you know, with two wine glasses and a bottle of wine. It's really a nice gift. People really like that. So come on into my craft corner, and let's make a headband that I think you're going to love. And it's easy, really easy. You'll find out. So the first thing I want to do is to cut the flowers. So I'm going to take my scissors here and probably cut it like so. Keep a little bit of the end on, I think. And we're just going to cut probably like that. And while my glue stick is getting hot. Oh, I like her. I should put some makeup on her, don't you think so? And then we're going to place probably like together like this. We'll put some glue on this. And how about right there? I kind of like it on the side. Just like that. And you can kind of put it out a little bit, you know, as you're doing it. And probably some more. Let me get some more blue. Probably I'll keep these together. That might look very cute. You just want to place that really hot glue. Like so. You're slipping. I don't know if I want it on the other side. I just kind of want it on one side. Now you might want it on two sides. Well, maybe I'll put it on the other side too. Or maybe I'll put something else there, but I don't think so. I kind of like it on the one side. And you might want to put some bling there. But I don't. I just kind of want to, and I don't want too much because you just want to keep it right. So what do you think of this? I think that might be pretty. This flower doesn't want to cooperate with me. Come on. You might have to play with them a little, which I'm going to do. So I think, is that easy? That's really easy, right? And I think that's about it. I don't want to overdo it. Maybe a little bit more pink. What do you say? I think that might be good. This piece right here. You kind of want to keep the stem on it a little bit. And just, oh, I need more glue. Oh, that always happens. When you're right in the middle of something, you need more glue, right? And you just want to press that on. And we'll keep working on that and let that just sit there. And then we'll come back and I'll show you how it looks on me. I think that looks really cute, don't you? So I'm going to put it down and spread this out and we'll come back. But I think that's really pretty. And I don't think it's too much. I think it's, and that's why I don't think I want it on the other side. Just one side. So we're going to come back and I'll try it on. So do I look springy or what? I mean, I really feel great in this. You know, and how long did it take? 5 minutes, right? It was very quick. And you know, I love it. You know, it really, you know, like it goes with this jean outfit, or it goes with outfits that you like, or maybe you want to wear a summer dress. You know, I like flowers on my hair. I always did. You know, in the 70s, that was a big thing in the 70s. Girls would put flowers in their hair, and I just think it was so feminine. I just loved it. So maybe you want to make yours, because literally it takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You saw it. It was so quick, and just, you know, with the help of her. I'm going to put some eyeliner on her, right? I wear a lot of eyeliner. I love eyeliner. It's like my favorite thing. If I didn't have to wear any other thing on my eyes, it would be eyeliner. I don't wear mascara, but I do. However, I do like eyeliner. So, and also I have these are my 2 lockers that I have, and I have it packed with, I'll go to Michael's or Dollar Store, and I'll think, you know, what craft do I want to make? What would I want to do? And I'll just buy it, and I'll say, I don't know when I'm going to make this, but I will. You know, so I just love having my lockers filled with that. And I love doing crafts, and I think this is really nice. Isn't it? Do you like it? I mean, if you do, write to me. And thank you for writing to me. People write to me, and I really, really like it. I think it's really nice for you to take your time and write to me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Come again, we'll be cooking up a storm because I love to cook. I love crafts, I really do. I'm thinking all the time what to make or what crafts to make because I really, really like that. I do. I'm a fitness instructor. I like that. I like talks. And most of all, I like being with you. And I really appreciate you watching me. Thank you so much. Come again and have a real nice day. Bye-bye. Thanks for stopping in Annie's Angle. Bye-bye for now.